This tutorial will teach you how to effectively cut cords that may have you tied to people and energetic situations that are actually impairing your ability to live your fullest life. Please be advised that any time you share a sexual encounter or a highly charged traumatic event, any situation that carries a high vibrating energy signature with it will create a cord between you and that person, or possibly even multiple people. So you want to be careful about who you are connecting yourself with. This cord cutting exercise will help you sever all cords that no longer serve your highest good. No matter how you made those connections, you can choose to sever them. Having said that, please be advised that once you do sever them, they're easily connected if A, you don't apply some sort of energetic band-aid, and I'll explain all that, and B, if you go back and relive that whole situation that connected you to begin with. So you must be certain to either be done with the entire situation and no longer seek to explore it and reconnect those cords, or what I choose to do is I cut cords on a weekly basis. This is just all part of energy hygiene. So yeah, we are going to learn how to sever cords, cut cords. That's the name of the exercise, cutting cords. So you want to make sure that you are seated very comfortably with your feet flat on the floor. If your feet don't reach the floor, make sure to put a pillow or a stepping stool or something under your feet, because you want your body to be fully supported so that you can relax and allow yourself to fully experience this exercise. So make sure you're seated comfortably. And I want you to use your mind's eye. You're going to be imagining a lot of things. However, know that when you imagine something with the intention that they are truly in existence, then they truly are. Even if you cannot see them, they are there energetically. So just go along with this imagination of yours and start creating some reality. So you're sitting in this chair very comfortably, and I want you to just allow yourself to breathe deeply, just deeply, deeply breathing. What this is doing is it's moving energy through you. It is releasing energy that's keeping you stagnant and not in motion, and it's energizing your body with increased oxygen levels. So just take some few deep breaths, and on that last exhalation, just allow yourself to sink deeper into your chair. Feel how supported you are, and just allow yourself to relax. This is not a scary situation. You don't have to be afraid here. You're going to enter this exercise relaxed and confident. Now imagine that above your head is a wheel, a hula hoop if you will, and it's spinning like a wagon wheel, but it's perpendicular to your body. So imagine that it's a halo over your head, but it's larger than a halo. And this halo actually spins around your entire body. It won't touch you. Once it starts descending over you, it clears your knees, your shoulders, your toes. It doesn't touch you. It's big enough to spin and descend over your entire body. And that's what this golden hoop is going to do. Now imagine that this golden hoop is spinning so fast that it becomes a blur. All you can just barely discern is a golden light that's flashing and spinning above you. Now allow this golden hoop to slowly descend over your whole body, missing your toes and knees and your shoulders. And as it descends over your body, it is cutting all the cords of all the people you're attached to that no longer serve your highest good. Let that golden hoop just sever all of those cords that no longer serve you. You don't need these attachments. They drain you. Allow the golden hoop to cut them away and descend into the ground at your feet. Repeat this exercise. Imagine this golden hoop is above you. It is spinning so rapidly, it's a golden blur of light. And it descends over you, severing all cords that no longer serve your highest good. And then let the golden hoop descend into the earth. Do this for as many times as you feel necessary to sever those cords. And then once you feel that all of your cords have been cut, I want you to imagine that the same golden light is now enveloping your entire body. It's like stepping into a golden haze of beautiful, sparkling light. And it is covering your entire body, sealing all of the spots where those cords were cut, sealing up all of the places where you leak your personal energy. It is not only covering you in protection, it is also enlivening you with golden angelic energy. Sit here in this golden light for as long as you feel necessary to feel entirely protected and sealed from any cords reattaching. Now you can do this cord cutting exercise as often as you want, but especially when you are feeling energetically drained in the presence of people, or after they've left your home, or you come home from your workplace. And I highly suggest that you just do it once a week as general maintenance, as your general energy hygiene. Just go ahead and cut these cords that no longer serve you. I hope you found this video very beneficial. Namaste, beloveds.